Hey everyone, Becky Jayne here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited for these. Not to brag, but it's my first thrift store makeover.
I've been wanting to do these for the longest time.
Because I've never done a makeover on anything. Except I guess spray painting picture frames or painting furniture a different color.
So that's what I'm wanting to do.
So went to my local thrift store and looked amongst the little shelves of little knickknacks they have, and I found
this and on another
shelf far away. I found this. Finding this one was convenient because when I found this one, I instantly knew what I wanted to do. So, well, maybe these were from the same owner. I thought they deserved a second chance, but I thought they were cute and I picked them up and here they are. So, on with the video. Let's craft and see what happens.
Not to hurt this one's feelings, but what the heck? This is clearly supposed to be a car. They didn't paint it like
a car.
Don't get me wrong, I love daisies. But what's with the daisies? Like seriously, this is the most random paint job I have ever seen. It's just sad. It's sad and it's lazy. I've never, like, what is this? Sorry to hurt your feelings, but you make no sense. I can't think of why your design is so not you. It is not you. You are clearly a car. What is wrong with this? You were a cute little beetle. Why didn't they paint you like a beetle? Okay, sorry, I can't.
I'm gonna paint this for what it really is.
A car.
It's a very cute car, and it does have some wear down here, and sticker that's gonna be fun to take off, and it has a chip right here, so I'm gonna have to fill that in. And these daisies, they painted the blue over the white, so there is an imprint of the daisy, so that's gonna be fun to have to fill in. So might as well just get it over with.
Getting right into it, I need to repair some of the damage. I'm taking some of this bath and sink easy repair, meant for porcelain sinks, to repair some of the small damages and cracks, and any other blemishes on its surface. I went in with my non-gesso but white paint and started trying to prep the surface. And I really tried painting on a base coat, but it just kept peeling. Peeling off here, peeling off there. It was probably because the surface was just too smooth or something, but it was too frustrating in the moment because I didn't know what was wrong and it was driving me crazy. So I needed to steer away from now and head in the right direction into something a little bit more
Elephantastic.
Ew, no. This is what happens when I think I'm funny. The original design on this one was actually kind of cute. I mean, look at those beady little black pin-sized eyes. Kinda soulless there, bud. Kinda sus. Let's get him masked up in a bright white coat. Prepped for some much needed TLC. I think she needed this. And yes, she's a she now. I mentioned when I saw this in the thrift store, I immediately knew what I wanted to do. Can you guess? It had to do with the zigzag stripes. Get it? Get it yet? It's obviously watermelon, right? Y'all get it, right? I went ahead and painted it pink and went in for the touch-ups. And the face, oh, the face! Adding the blush first. I like blending with my finger, probably shouldn't maybe, but I've always done this. I don't know, it gives me so much control when I'm trying to blend it out. And I really needed to blend this out. I wanted to get a good coverage of blush to really brighten those cheeks. And oh, look at those big eyes. Adding some lashes and catch lights. I wanted to bring out the watermelon theme in case it wasn't obvious enough by adding in some seeds as freckles and eyebrows and some on her tush and her tail. It might have been a weird or unnecessary call, but I think it's so cute. She's adorable. How could you hate that face? I decided to name her Millie. Get it? Millie, watermelon, melon, Millie. I find it a cute, appropriate name. Now taking my Liquitex High Gloss Varnish that you can get in any craft section and putting on a nice coat as the finishing touch. I like this so much better than before. The colors are nice and more compelling. And her face, her sweet little smile, I can't resist. Now for this little cake. I found this candle holder in the thrift store and thought it was a cute shape. And it was very dirty, covered in scorch marks. So cleaned and prepped and mixing up some more colors. I kept this really simple, a cream color with some pink frosting. And the sprinkles on top of these little sprinkle bumps. Boom, there. And finally adding my signature. Also, since I forgot to add my signature to Millie. Sorry, girl. Now it's gonna be kind of hard to claim her as my own creation. Probably not. I have the video proof. Way better than the original. The colors used to be so dull, ugly, and gross. Ew. It didn't look nice or appetizing. So I really do love how this one turned out. Now back to the pain in the butt. I did decide after all to come back to this car wreck. Because I figured I could still fix this. And after some sanding and perseverance and finally to make a somewhat bumpy base coat that later didn't bother me because it gave it some personality, I started painting on this lovely blue I mixed together. But what I wanted to do originally was make this look like a retro flower power Volkswagen bug theme, but paint the whole thing in a blended rainbow and decked out in giant flowers and peace signs seems like too much work. But I had gotten so frustrated with painting this that I didn't want to do that and just painted it blue. I did, however, take some inspiration from my idea and added the rainbow on the front. The texture was bugging me. Get it? Bug. And I didn't know what to do about it. But eventually I tried adding an outline to bring back some of the car details from the indents, and that settled it. That bumpy painted texture paired with the outline went together so well, so artsy looking. I ended up running with the cartoon vibe with this car and even painted on some stickers, flowers, peace signs, and a personalized license plate. Finishing up with the touch-ups on this one, and this became my proudest one. I had so much fun creating everything in this video, but this coin bank was actually a turning point for me. I was so happy with how it turned out, the work I put into it, how adorable it turned out to be. It was so inspiring. I just enjoyed doing this so much that it filled me with a drive to repaint more coin banks, piggy banks, even turn other things into banks. You'll be seeing more and more stuff like this video. So if you liked this, please do me a favor and like and subscribe and stick around for some more. This is my proudest video so far, and I'm excited to do more of this idea. So again, like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!